Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best hip and joint supplements available for dogs on the market. Wuffes Chewable Dog Hip and Joint Supplement for large breeds. Whether you have a senior dog needing extra joint support or a large breed prone to hip issues, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Wuffes offers a specialized formula packed with essential nutrients like glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, and more. These ingredients are carefully selected to promote joint health, improve mobility, and support overall joint function in larger dog breeds. To get the best results, Wuffes recommends administering the chewable daily based on your dog's weight. Each chew is formulated for dogs over 65 pounds, ensuring your large breed gets the support they need. When comparing Wuffes to other products, its comprehensive formula and positive customer feedback set it apart. Unlike some competitors, Wuffes focuses on quality ingredients tailored for larger breeds. Wrapping up, if you're looking to enhance your dog's joint health, Wuffes Chewable Dog Hip and Joint Supplement for large breeds is a solid choice. Backed by a combination of quality ingredients and positive user experiences, it's clear why Wuffes stands out in the market. Check out the link in the description for more information and to purchase Wuffes for your furry friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.